Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Lou with iBoutique. So I'm actually at the Ritz-Carlton for my birthday surprise, and I'm staying in a 1.5 executive suite, and it's actually been great. So as you can see, this is a king size bed, and the rest of the room I will show you as I post my videos.
So this is my first time staying at the Ritz, but it's definitely not my first time coming here. I call this place home away from home and have been coming here once or twice a month in the last 4 years. I found this room classy and elegant, let alone remarkably spacious with 1,060 square foot living area. It has 2 French doors opening to 2 duet balconies, one in the living room as you see right now, and of course one in the bedroom. And as much as I enjoyed the free water bottles that I received for having a status with the Marriott Bonvoy program, I enjoyed the espresso coffees a lot more, which happened to be a Starbucks. Now, the only thing missing on this property is a swimming pool. However, the hotel next door allows Ritz-Carlton's guests to use theirs. And wow, this oversized bathroom also has a built-in TV on the mirror. Oh, and by the way, compared to other hotels, their toiletries are pretty amazing. This hotel seems to really care about the quality of products they supply you with. So this is the front desk that has professional and friendly agents, especially with the guest service manager named Jason, who was very accommodating during my stay and therefore rewarded him for a job well done. And what can I say about this lobby lounge? Of course, I enjoy coming here because the level of customer service is exceptional, especially when Tim, the main bartender, is taking care of us. And one thing that sets Tim apart from the others would be that he remembers us and he makes us feel welcome every time we come in. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm actually having lunch at the Casa Don Alfonso inside the Ritz-Carlton, and it's an Italian restaurant with very pricey, but it's beautiful. And I do have a video or a video tour of this restaurant, and so we'll see if I like the food. So till next time, bye. So when it comes to this Italian restaurant, I do believe that this is a newer addition to the specific Ritz-Carlton. Casa Don Alfonso is definitely elegant in design, and its ambiance is very inviting. However, like any other establishments, it has some downsides to it. For one thing, and like I mentioned earlier, it has a pricey menu for the amount of food that you get, and for another, you have to make a reservation months in advance just to eat here. As far as the taste of the food here, I can only advise you on the shrimp dish that I had here on my birthday, which turned out to be just okay. When it comes to this fitness center, I was amazed how spacious it was, and especially with the cardio room that it came with. This cardio studio is a big plus. It is something that I don't see often in hotels, if at all. The cigar room is another amenity that this Ritz-Carlton offers to their paid stay guests and annual membership holders. And although I don't smoke, I found it very interesting and non-boring. And even though my clothes ended up absorbing cigar smell, I still felt very relaxed and calm afterwards. Like the lobby lounge, the same food and drink menu is offered here. The bartenders are also very nice, welcoming, and attentive. So for those cigar lovers who have some extra money to spend on the annual membership fee, you will definitely enjoy the cigar room. I wish that they still allowed non-members and non-guests to visit this room for $50 a day. But for reasons that I do not know, they ended that program. In summary, I do recommend this particular Ritz-Carlton located in Clayton, Missouri for their professionalism, welcoming nature, and luxury rooms.
Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions and comments, please write them down below. Until next time, God bless, relax, relate, and release.